Alright, so now I'm way over 3 hours of coding. I can't stop doing this. This is a huge problem. I just opened my screencast-o-matic. Alright, so over here I was supposed to draw 3 houses, and then it had functions for drawing a house and drawing a triangle, and drawing a square. But what I did was I made my own function, which is to move to the next house, because we have to get it to go from one to the other. And rather than put in a whole bunch of different codes, like another lot of lines, I just put a move to the next house function that I made, and then it worked. So check it out. There we go, moving over. So I actually did it in fewer lines, I guess, because it said I could have done it in 40 blocks, but I did it in 30 blocks. So that was pretty exciting. Yay! Let's see. I've got a whole bunch of these things going on now. Look. I can't stop doing this stuff. Like, I'm almost done and I need more. So I'm going to keep coding. Alright, so now I had to do the draw a house function, and I was able to make this one myself, and I incorporated the one I just did where I moved from one house to the other house in a separate function into the draw a house function, which was this piece of code down here. So now I have the first one. Watch, I have the first house done. Because up here, my instructions say draw a house length 50. So now I'm here and I can draw my next house. So now I just have to do draw a house, grab my math, try to guess how big that other house is. Let's go with 100. Twice, yeah, looks like it's twice as big. Let's try it. Ah, I didn't turn back. Hold on. Hold on. So now when I'm done with my first house, I need my guy to turn to the left in my function. Forward by length, then turn left 90 degrees. So he's ready to go for the next one. Let's see. Let's try it. Yeah. Now I can do my next one. I'm gonna guess that's like what, 120. So I'm gonna draw another house. Draw a house. And my math. 120. Run, little guy, run. Yeah, it's gotta be bigger. 150. The cool thing about coding is you can see exactly what's happening, like as it's happening, so you don't have to wait for results. You know, like pretty quick. I'm all about instant gratification, so this makes me happy. Yeah, 150. And that's it. Completed puzzle 9 or 25 lines of code. Yes. Alright, this one said I could do whatever I wanted, so I just want to see what this random integer thing does. So I put 2 of them in. That wasn't very exciting. This one's pretty neat because you have to go through and see what's wrong with the code that it wrote. So one run, this one's going to move forward. Then it's going to turn left. Then she's going to move forward. Then she's going to move 10 times, but there's only 5. So let's change this to 5. Then when that's done, so she's still facing this way. So she's going to turn this way, move forward, turn left and move forward. And she's going to do this 10 times, but she only needs to do it 7. Because there's only 7. Let's see. I'm just thinking about how much smarter I could have been if I'd been doing this instead of playing Candy Crush. My God.